In this video, we'll show how you can save gas by driving your car in Eco Mode. Eco Mode is on when you see these letters lit on your car's dashboard. Locate your Drive Mode button to activate Eco Mode. You may have to press the button several times through different modes to reach the Eco Mode. You can check your owner's manual for proper operation of this feature. Once Eco is lit on your dash, the mode is properly activated. Notice once Eco is activated, the RPMs drop, which means you're burning less fuel. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.